one near the Mawa Sisi or Penax TV a platform you so in some baby na NICC Ewagana Himubako if our honorable Kennedy a compreko hini ejapo yenimni na Saint Timu ACC and Asa Yeka Efan Hona and I'm so Emma to me no be Eddie Mano Babatun Sim movie. Now you kaya or can say and you be a say yeah United Progressive Party flag bearer no and you be a say papa Mr. Akwesi Adai Odiki. Na asama ya papa Odike die odi to you no say ya share honorable Kennedy Wagana ha enema bebre ni waye dodo na ye ma papa and sane ma papa na waye nti no enam soma obetimi aba ba ye president de bi ana say mfie bi edi enim e Wagana ha na so ade ba ko a onu Odike betimi de nsa esi ne buaka se de bi ade wei ebetimi asi eye honorable Kennedy kwan e mo ba ye president na koma ni temper no ebro so obi a wakoma but honorable na koma ebro so nti di papa na wanya na di mpa ye bono no ayese nyonyam ne gidi ani pa bi wonu mu no eno etu otwa na se so ete on the other hand enye obi a se director edema NDC for legal team and as legal affairs eno enye obi a se papa Abraham Amalipa na ono de wono po de enye president side no work according to papa you know honorable Kennedy send your tie Wagana ha send your kasa di atem otimi kasa wo ya mema me boys abepo ni pasa no esi dan ene ye kofa ne so mbran be chairman en fama ye parliament defense team honorable Kennedy stand that chance in fact oni hutumi e wasi you know na Penax TV analyst na e wa ho na akwaba
minu aba me josu bebre
what it in some ayeko and me sure say we be bra and obeka before that no yen share ne abe ansa ne be to say honorable Kennedy ne waye ni nyina no yen hwe papa Odike nsem wo ka no say honorable nka obetma be president but ne tempenti no with the 10% no do you think say honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan he has a chance and I say will stand the chance to become a president one day in Ghana?
Yeah, thank you very much for the opportunity out there mami on this your big platform. Now answer na mesha here no one of the greatest presidents in the history of the world or contribute here UK and the US alliance no mutimi winning the World War II. Prime Minister Winston Churchill. So you'll be out here any history and geography and be art. You will know this man. Me a business, but the great works of this man found his name, and his name was able to find himself in my business class.
Okay.
Now, Winston Churchill, he was prime minister from 1940 to 1945. Okan sembi, asem no kan no. Any, or say, the greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes.
The greatest lesson to learn in life is that fools are right sometimes. You know, we are somebody who was saying, Omaniti anase omo muso anase ibia wakana shekura na obepie fi bebia de na
shekura is the greatest lesson which means what part is a sebi obi abodam kra okasa en pembi no yes
okay
en pembi no nyansa mo
ana nensa mo ka no krebi omu
I'm reading the greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes.
Okay,
what am I say or part is sebi ejimi for ana bodam for komo kasa sebi en pembi no omo ye right.
Good.
So it's for this particular thing you understand it before this particular video and a session ebe ended.
Okay.
In regards to Nsema Ubisa if Ken Japan is fit to be president.
Like does he stand a chance?
He stands a chance to be a president. Donald Trump, he had no political backing. I'm not comparing Ken Japan to Donald Trump, but Donald Trump had no political background. He had no nothing. He became the president.
Okay.
What bring about presidents a revolution? Obi kana semebra na 2016 US elections ni course. Or say everything na biano. Americans pick a president for a purpose. Donald Trump came for a purpose. I say the purpose that he came was to make America look great again and perhaps champion the economy. He did that.
Okay.
Regardless his shortcomings, maybe we all can bear the fact say during his tenure, a band business, Trump economy was really great. Anytime a revolution can be started in Ghana, and that revolution, we will need Kennedy Japan to be that president.
Okay.
The same vein, Meanwhile, be a war a quote from or doco that person too can be a president. Anybody can be the leader of a country. In that same regards, King Japan is fit to be the president.
Okay, so if he stand the chance there, they definitely know he's fit to be. Okay, yeah, sure. Near Koso and I some amount for work fan no. Do you think said they are right with every comment they are making about the MP? Say or yes, Emmanuel Ebeye. Chairman for the defense and an Tempantino on team by president. Are they right saying those things about them?
Whoever says that, especially NDC's your friend is saying legal
member of the
legal council.
Yes.
Your friend no. Yes.
Abraham Amaliba.
Yeah, your friend no, Mr. Abraham Amaliba. That's the director of legal affairs for NDC. In some and in that particular question, he took it from the context of his words. He is right on a scale and he's wrong on a scale. Meanwhile, you Japan. So we NDC ni cry now pay MPP for half sema. You would like in Japan at least 30%. Why? Because most people feel like he says the truth.
Okay.
And you be an ebenya kukudro so be out of party lines to expose his own people. We've seen countless of things a bit to me attest to it. Now the question in that from that question I'll be saying, me take a question from that question I'll be saying. Say sorry anopa na King Japan ekotita TV so eka say government e be impose 50% tax on spare parts. To him a scanner or a tax number be imposed no a way to take money and use it on na politicians use it for their own stuff. They want to use to enrich themselves. And don't you know or per se abuso kind for should match and demonstrate to resist this tax. Do you think your friend is saying Abu said kind for do you think say they will go according to King Japan's words or not? Why?
Because he's in parliament when he hoba and the assessor then fees you make say so definitely they would.
That's a very perfect answer. And the other answer here is because they regard King Japan as a role model and they see him to be a truth pillar. Say amount for ehu King Japan say the same vein no obetimi asori aka say sebi I before person mo Ghana fa inti asante for ansori a ye be Ghana film him. Don't you think some people can in King Japan's own words or can same be our Adom TV bedroom person some 4 years ago or see people consume information without digesting them. You want Crophobia or King Japan can ABC regardless no they don't go and check if it is true or not, they just get up. And then people who hear psychology your friend BB misinformation as a misrepresentation. Metimaka say and King Japan Bitimatanaka say Ebia Akwe no onye they should deal with him. Obi dealing with him different. Obi dealing with him second. Obi dealing with him court. Obi dealing with him sacking the person. In that same vein, it tells you say the King Japan Bekan it has effect. In a way, this statement is true. So King Japan's words having an effect. We can say verbally and clearly say, since he has that effect, he can say things and on your bad tempo, bitima can be beer. A bit to me, ama Ghana, yina yakowo. And a bit to me, be bonny abagan. In the same vein, too, he can say certain things, a bema Ghana for any buyer. So, in a way, King Japan's temper is a big problem. Ebois, in a way, but also in a way, so ebois.
Okay, so looking at how I near my aircon, we will say, Honorable Canada, Japan, people are just justifying his actions.
People are not justifying his actions. You want to ask if I'm justifying King Japan's actions. Now, if you look at this thing clearly, in regards to what he did or the things he said, my share tape over and over and over again. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with what TNE.
Concerning the Namswa when you na airban.
There's nothing wrong with what King Japan is saying. TNE. You see, Nano before King Japan Becca Simidi can't catch him down for even I said it on air. Say Rwanda will say, Kenya will say, Zimbabwe, journalists, any media, and now also in a chronicle 2 year. At the end of the day, do you know how many people die? Over 3 million people. That is like the whole population of Greater Accra. Innocent people die just because Obiako can something after Houthis for him and a Houthis for someone. Ain't I say? Into 2 year history, because the war between the Houthis and the Houthis. correct me if I don't get the name right, but there's an element there.
Okay.
If media were able to bring these two people, their heads together, Emma 3 million die, you need to know so what Kenny Japan is saying, In there somewhere, there's an iota of truth. I won't justify, say, in all that Kenny Japan said is true, but most of them, and in some kind, it was the plain truth which was unfiltered. TNE. The genesis of a giraffe story. Eba no. Then yet say, Yantise Kaka Mohammed. Or fix the country. Yeah. Who got that authority to go and post that thing? Say, Kaka Mohammed. I can fix the country for. Meanwhile, the guy was not part. Obi ba na no na mitie woman na okọ committee name no. Neba if his school ba say ne yemia ne ya. Okọ say okoto edru of pharmacy. Yamaniska onam ni baby on can face the country for no ho. Stray bullet say me can stray bullet obi tu ni tu na bulletin na baby na be bo enye wo na o target. Stray bullet abebo SHS 3 final year student ni yem ama me no kasa tete ne so ne spine. The woman is a single mother. The woman is a single mother. Sa woman we are a single mother. And ne me no can say ono na osan pay the bills. Ne ba o hwe said that on be hwe ni sia ne ba na abeda ne burden. Obi bo bullet na ka o spine no so a. Do you know the effect? One, I just say be the catheter say den show him. Two, o spine no and the control your whole body say wo gina ho ne obi bia. It can make you paralyzed for life. Four, a bit me deform you. Into bones say, oh, how was stress because your spine connects to your brain. I will not go into the effect and other implications, but all I want to say is say, and now obeying 70 if this thing is true. Because guy ne buy and Erastus don't go buy or say on the and some kind people what misinterpreted and misrepresented his words. People mistook the words and now twisted it. Erastus. Okay. Media work. Erastus. So in a way, in Japan, what he's saying is true. Now, on the other hand, no, there's a way we address issues. Obina na, and I'm a psychologist and I can't say be. Or say, two people wanted to ask for a mango. But I say, please give me the mango. And the other one say, please, can you give me the mango? Which one do you think makes more sense?
The second one.
Why?
The tonation of the
good. So it tells you say King Japan can arrive at his destination clearly. Or back on the same thing. Without any words. And obey we. And people understand him clearly. But King Japan chose to arrive at that destination with unfiltered words. The word is unfiltered. Set in some one son so.
Okay.
And no and people are saying say his words no are too harsh. And at the end of the day, people are not concentrating on the good things that King Japan. Okay. They are concentrating on the bad thing. And now part a year bad amount for using it for the own narrative. So what King Japan said, no cre. I'm not saying say no cre saying ko bu Erastus Donko. They be no cre say media for including me myself. I'm it her. Meeting my call online. I can't just one sentence can better than able to. At the end of the day, over 4 million people can die free of charge. I be we Ukraine, many asylum US. I am prosecuting me. Do you think it will be fair?
No.
And now, me full so being to that is what King Japan was saying. In the other way, you can't use fire to quench fire. We use water to quench fire. And as a leader, violence, you don't solve violence with violence. King Japan was in war just 3 days ago. Video no patch. He pleaded for about 5 minutes, saying he said the people of Wa should forgive him. I don't know King Japan one can say the people of Wa should go and face the military. And I said should beat the hell out of the military. Would they work? And can all my people. So he King Japan should understand, say, we don't solve violence with violence. Okay. In the same vein, say journalists na yadie na enya. We all know what he did. If he's guilty, because the matter is still in trial. If he's guilty, it is really bad. But there are ways to twist and there are ways to solve this media crisis. Because media no omunya perfect. In simple way can enyen no in simple way can sebe. We don't have even facts. In simple way can. We just say
what am I saying?
In a way, no, we are not void of correction. So King Japan could have arrived at the destination, say, the actions and the inactions of Joy TV or multimedia in a way caused this. So we will sanction them. When I had the chair of defense committee, Okasa sanction one kasa. But for you to repeat a similar thing, a course so 4 years ago, assembly me know that's a work court. Is it? People, I mean, even NDC people and the family members of Ahmed Hussein Swale, and even Anas himself, Omunim Seneke in Japan in the Kun, a furnace, Ahmed Hussein Swale.
But nothing be a hokan,
In several cocaine, and a bonifan said the prima facie and a law, the intention, and then some of our say, Obijna so the Dibonia, you are supposed to be culpable. And they are supposed to be found guilty. So if King Japan made a similar thing, in some account with TV, so some recall over and over and ask our penny on Twitter handle. Or say, on only any picture ni or taba madia muchinamu. King Japan could have said, "Say me so me expose. We and a car nas partner no hono. We simple. I urge the government of Ghana to arrest him. I urge you, say if you see him at your place, he's about to conduct an investigation. Please call the police on him. Simple. But for you to repeat a similar, which means he himself, he has not learned. He's not learned anything.
So, I'm out for because say,
and for you,
he's being too known. I say he being the member of parliament needs to know. When your platform be and you pay Timika.
Well, in a way, you know what they are saying is true. Because I think he needs to be very choosy or choicey of his words. What am I saying? I can't just come on social media and say the president took bribe. Oh, it can be true. But I need to have some evidence. And I can't say because on my name sebe me call online and I'm about social media. And I can say the president is the most stupid person. Who said they can't dream at 12 bono. Okay, Japan didn't say you bet Metimaka say to me because of my anymore Akufo-Addo, the president Akufo-Addo, on my anymore to me, you know, and I mean I can more power being a mere abia or hinibia and go trim mukra and me pie in a glass. You think that is fair? That is not fair. And in a way, okay, Japan's words greatly is not really good. But in some he himself, if he's listening to me, he should ask himself this question. He's having people who support him, people who support. But the question is, some reports are ever about it. No? Is it what he said about the media ethics, which is not being practiced? Or in some or say, or no, a president can journalist. People have misinterpreted it. And obey you are, or then it's a crew. The media are also fighting for their jobs. The people at multimedia, they want a defense. The defense, they say, what can some say you're credible? In some kind of ABA no credit yenim. But yet to me, so they'll find 2 words how can ya. To them, the multimedia or multimedia engine so are trashing all the good things you see, and that's exactly what they are doing. It's just a counter attack. But what can Japan say? Play the video over and over again. You realize some more kind of okay. But on the part of saying, "Say, me na me president," no. That is bogus. That is childish talk.
All right.
No, that's childish talk.
Okay.
That is if you follow King Japan, massa, if you ask we no or ya the payeka. That is childish talk. And if he stands a chance to be a president, he can be a president. Massa, people are going to judge him by these words. Last time, me share some video I'm sure Facebook, and will be better comments. I'm an MPP. I support King Japan. King Japan has lost my vote. Or MPP has lost my vote. You would think it's one person. But what if in every community King Japan lost 1,000 votes per these words? You get people who support him, but Ghana for no, so what if King Japan is losing 1,000 votes in each constituency? He will lose the election. Hey, on the ground, I've spoke to people. People want him to be president. People know. And you first person. Saying King Japan stands a chance to be a president. And in 4 weeks, and I'm calling a poll. Poll. The first person was who? Bawumia. The second person was who? Alan Cash. The third person was who?
Kennedy.
The rest is others. So it's Bawumia, Alan Chemantin, King Japan, and the others. If Alan Cash, Ekase Onko Bioma, the race is left to who?
Kennedy.
And who?
Bawumia.
Yes. So, it's here for. Now, answer na me trust because of time constraints. No. Now, no, you will chrome her. Any reporter say, oh, he be just hini, takwa just hini, waira. Now, takwa just hini yira no. And I who child kwan no. Immediately, nipa ba kuni yako born in door. Your friend Kakra. Kakra no yesi oye ohine no na just hini warfase. Answer na just hini obeko messel na Kakra any just hini omo ntawantawa bi. Ena Kakra e free just hini kache ni say. That is few days before the disappearance. I catch and say, "Whoa, me ma 1 week I'll deal with you and I'm you with you." You are saying said words like this. I can't justify because that is what the driver and your friend is saying. Other people or more ben or more kind. Now, immediately the reporter said this man was missing. They started knocking on the doors of Kakra. Now, the man, now just a post said. Papa no send oka say okoyin fapo
osi okobisa prices of musical instruments
and parking the car esi baby and okoi nti efa na say enumre na onama okon and obi hunu bi eti moto so and asa nipa hunu no odi moto e ball no anase bia we hu no odi ball no and CCTV footage ni we bi ani ho and odwane ya ana de be chini use papa no wu den rim as obi di bibia ball no and amoje nu na we wu a who do you think they will blame?
Nipa one ne enya to kwanza
because nipa na there's no CCTV to show say moto no obi apu no they no matter what Kakra will say even so feel good. That is exactly what I wanted to say. Even if Kakra was in the house eating krana Yebeka say crime no you can commit it or you can commit somebody to commit that crime
sure
and untin Yebeka so about passing and walk and the whole world, including me, will say Kakra is guilty because all the evidences is pointing. Yeah, free business. Oh, for Papa na also fin record or your free empty. Ya call records. Okay, what are you going to say? Meanwhile, he's not the one. The ones in the new moon same thing. That is what we are trying to say. Second, Japan should be careful. Based on this scenario, Mama no, Obibi to me dibone asho. Kakra was not to be blamed. Echin Papa no. On na police for be so anymore. I see the course. I see yes why you are be kidnap. I say maybe got two instruments.
Kidnap payment.
And be kidnap payment. Satan na Kakra ni sunu de gym. I say yeah. Or catch an in the class say or him and yam na me ya ne say oboa. Ye ne say oboa me catch us and toke ya woni just niki. Gym. Me I catch him then chese we ya na wan. E bi wa come into. You see, so it tells you people's action can lead them to a place enye. The whole world is watching in Japan. He has a choice to either learn or continue.
Okay, yeah. That's the advice out there, man.
That's all I can
either
say.
He learn and I say you know on continue. Okay, next episode for this is the update and I say ni Rebecca Elia Fauna Book Canadian in 7.